Hello students, I hope you all are doing good and preparing well for DCET exam. I am like for past few days I was not able to upload videos. I'm so sorry. I was not well and I was occupied with something else. So that was the reason. I'm so sorry. But from now onwards, I'll try to upload videos regularly and my goal is to complete the entire syllabus. Okay. So that is all. And coming to today's video, so in today's video, what I have done, what I have planned is I have picked up the previous year questions from this topic, and I'm trying to solve them. So you will be able to see the approach, how to apply the concept and all those things. So this is a very important video for you all. So I would suggest you to watch the previous three videos before you watch this. So this is the final video of this topic. If you watch all these four videos, you can easily score the 4 marks that are going to be asked in the DCET examination. Okay, so that is the thing. I would suggest you to watch the previous videos. Okay, so coming to the video, so let's start today's session. So as I have said, we'll be solving previous year questions. So what we have got, the first question that we have got is uh, equation of straight line passing through the point 1 comma 3 and having slope minus 2. Okay, so they have already given us the slope. Let me write it as minus 2, and we have a point is 1 comma 3. So I can use the point slope form here, right? Point slope. Okay, how should I solve? Okay, I'll tell you conceptually. We'll solve it. Take some point x comma y and 1 comma 3. Okay, how will you find the slope? Y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to slope. Slope is y minus 3 x minus 1 is equal to, what is the slope? Minus 2. Okay, I just have to solve this now. Y minus 3 2x plus 2, sorry, minus 2x plus 2. So I'll get y plus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So that's it. It hardly took me 30 seconds to solve this question. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D. So if you know the concept, you just need to apply that. It is very easy. Okay, coming to the next question. Okay, so this is a very important question. You can expect a similar question. Okay, so please try to understand this conceptually. Okay, it is easy. Equation of straight line passing through the origin and perpendicular to the line, so and so. So they are telling what is the equation of, say, this is the line that is passing through the origin, and this is our 5x minus 4y minus 1. This is perpendicular, so we need to find equation of this line. Okay, we know this line is passing through 0 comma 0. To find the equation of line, what do we need? The two bits of information that is required is either the 2 points that lie on the line, or we need 1 point and the slope. But slope is not there. We have 1 point but we don't have the slope. Okay, but we know that this line is perpendicular to this line. Okay, okay, so we know one more property. Product of perpendicular lines, slope, the product of slope of perpendicular lines, that is, if it is m1 and m2, if these two lines are perpendicular, then their product will be minus 1. So using this, I can find out the slope of this line. Okay, for that thing I need to first find out the slope of this line. Okay, so this is something new that we'll be learning today. So given the equation of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, any equation, how to find the slope? Okay, we have the standard equation. Okay, y equal to mx plus c. This is my standard equation. So if I transform this equation in this form, I can extract what is the slope. Okay, let's do the same thing. Let me first get by at left hand side, and I'll get minus ax minus c. I'll make this coefficient 1, the coefficient of y, so I'll divide by b. So y equal to minus a by b x minus c by b. So if you compare these two equations, it is very important. Okay, these two equations, I can easily say that slope m is equal to minus a by b, and the intercept, the y-intercept, is equal to minus c by b. Okay, so given any equation, you can directly find the slope using this. this formula, minus a by b. Okay, so this is important. So now tell me, so let me just scroll a bit. Okay, so we have here, what is the equation we have here? 5x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. A is 5 and b is minus 4, right? Okay, so minus a by b is nothing but minus 5 by minus 4, which is nothing but 5 by 4. Now we have the slope of this line. We need to find the slope of this line. How do I find that? We know that m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. M1, we know m2 is 5 by 4 is equal to minus 1. So m1 is equal to minus 4 by 5, right? So I have the slope, and I know one point 0 comma 0. I'll just apply the point slope form, right? Very easy. The what is the point slope form? Y minus 0 x minus 0 is equal to the slope, that is minus 4 by 5. So I'll get 5y plus 4x equal to 0. That's it. Very easy, right? So let me see which one is there. 4x plus 5y is the answer. So 4x plus 5y, the correct answer is option B. So this is how I'll just summarize what we did here. So they are asking us the equation of line that is passing through the origin. Okay, origin, and which is perpendicular to this line. Okay, so we know this equation, 5x plus 4y minus 4y minus 1. So from this equation we extracted the slope, that is minus a by b. So 5 by 4, we got the slope. We got the slope of this line. Slope of perpendicular lines, we know that the product of slope of perpendicular lines is minus 1. Using that, we found out the slope of our required line. Then we found out the slope, which is minus 4 by 5, and we know a point. So using this, we found out the equation of the line. So it is very important to find the equation of line. We need two bits of information, either the 2 points or a point and a slope. So 2 bits is important. Only with one information you cannot find the equation of line. Okay, that is all. So this is an important question, I would say. Moving on. Yeah, so this is also an interesting question. The x-intercept and y-intercept of the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 are. Okay, so we know, in my previous lecture I have told a standard thing, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. If you have an equation in this format, this a is nothing but the x-intercept and b is nothing but the y-intercept. So this is something like this. This will be equal to a and this will be equal to b. Okay, this is our standard thing. Okay, okay, so what I'll do is, they are asking us the x and y intercept and they have given us the equation of the line. If I transform this equation in this form, then I can extract the x and y intercept. I'll be doing that thing. So first let's what I can do here, 3x minus 4y equal to minus 1, but we need plus 1, so I'll multiply by minus 1 on both sides. I'll get minus 3x plus 4y equal to 1. Now what I'll be doing, just look at this. So x divided by minus 1 by 3 plus y divided by 1 by 4 equal to 1. Okay, I have done a trick here, simple thing. Now these two equations I can compare. Now comparing these two equations, tell me what is a. A is minus 1 by 3. What is b? It is 1 by 4. So my x-intercept is minus 1 by 3 and my y-intercept is 1 by 4. So the correct answer is option C. So this is how you solve the question. Okay, moving on. Okay, so this is the equation of the line passing through the points. So they have given the 2 points. They are asking us to find the equation. Okay, simple 2-point form. It is nothing but 2-point form. Direct formula you can apply. Okay, just let me write the 2 points, 1 comma minus 2, 2 comma 1. So first thing, we'll find the slope. So to find the slope, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 1. So this is our slope. And again, I'll apply a point slope form here. Now we have the slope. I'll take any point. Let me take this point, y minus 1 by x plus 2. So 3 by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by x plus 2, 3x plus 6y minus 1, 3x minus y plus 7. One second, I think we have done some mistake here. Y minus 1x plus 2, okay, 3x plus 6y minus 1. Oh, one second. 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 3. I think we are doing some mistake here. Oh, 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 oh. Let me just solve it again. I'll just erase and solve it again. I'm so okay. I think there is an error. Let me just find out. Okay, first we'll find the slope. 1 plus 2, 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 3 by 1. Then I'll apply the standard thing. I'll pick this point, y minus 1 by x minus 2. So 3x minus 6, y minus 1. Okay, so 3x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. So the correct answer is this thing, 3x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Answer option C. So this is how you solve the thing. Okay, moving on. The angle of inclination of the line. Okay, so you remember what is the slope? Slope is nothing but tan theta, right? And what is theta? Theta is the angle that the line makes with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. So this is our theta, no? Positive direction in the anti-clockwise direction. This is my theta, right? And tan theta is nothing but the slope. So I just now told you how to find the slope of a line. Given the equation of the line, slope is nothing but minus a by b. So what is a here? 1, right? B is also 1. So the slope is minus 1. So tan theta is equal to minus 1. So tell me, for which angle tan theta is minus 1? Tan of minus pi by 4. Tan of minus pi by 4 is minus, let me check. One second. So tan of 3 pi by 4, if you check, it is minus 1. So the correct answer is 3 pi by 4. But tan of pi by 4, okay, why it is wrong, I'll tell you. Tan of minus pi by 4 is minus tan pi by 4, and it is also equal to minus 1. But we cannot take minus pi by 4. I'll tell you why. If you take minus pi by 4, uh, it will give you this line, this thing. But this angle, minus pi by 4 is minus 45 degrees. But the actual thing is this angle, no? Slope is always with the positive direction of x-axis. We start from here and we go in anti-clockwise direction, and we want this angle only. We are not interested in this angle. We are interested in this angle. Okay, in anti-clockwise direction, whatever we get, we are interested only in that thing. Okay, so that is how you can find. So the correct answer is option C. Moving on, the slope and y-intercept of the line are respectively. So I'll be trying to convert this into y equal to mx plus c form. Okay, so look, 6x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, okay, so I'll just make it in this form, minus 4y minus 6x minus 3, y is equal to 6 by 4x minus plus 3 by 4. So if I simplify, 3 by 2x plus 3 by 4. So my slope is 3 by 2 and my intercept is 3 by 4. So the correct answer is option A. Easy. Okay, very easy. Moving on. Again, same question. The equation of line joining the points is, we'll be using the 2-point form. So the 2 points we have are 1 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 4. The slope is minus 4 minus 3 2 minus 1, which is minus 7 by 1. And now I can pick any point and apply the point slope form. Y plus 4 by x minus 2 minus 7x plus 14 is equal to y plus 4 minus 7x minus y plus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the correct answer. So if I multiply with minus 1, this is what I get. 7x plus y minus 10. So the correct answer is option B. Easy. Okay. Moving on. The equation of line passing through the point and having slope directly. They have given us the slope, it is 1 by 2, and the point also they have given us. So directly I can apply the point slope form here. Y minus 3, y minus of minus 3, x minus 1 is equal to slope. So this is nothing but 2y plus 6 is equal to x minus 1. So 2y minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is nothing but x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. So the correct answer is option A. Okay, moving on. So this is a very easy question. Yeah, so this is an important question. The equation of line passing through the point and parallel to the line. Parallel lines have same slope. Same slope. Okay, we learned this in our previous class. Have same slope. Very important. You can expect a similar question in your exam. Okay, this is an important one. So first, that line is parallel to this line. Okay, so I need to find the slope of this line, right? So what is the slope? Slope is nothing but minus a by b. So minus 5 by 3. So this is the slope. I know the slope and I know the point, and all I have to do is point slope form. So y minus 3 by x plus 2 is equal to the slope, that is minus 5 by 3, and I need to simplify this. 3 by minus 9 minus 5x minus 10. 5x plus 3y minus 1. 5x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is our equation. So the correct answer is option B. Okay, so this is how. So if you are able to solve the questions that I solved today, you are good to go. You can solve any question that will come in that is going to come in the examination. So I would suggest you to watch all the 4 videos. So if you have watched them properly and practice the questions, so you can easily score the 4 marks that are going to appear in the examination. So this comes to be so this is the last video of this topic, straight lines. So we'll be covering the next topic. We'll be moving to the next topic in the coming video. Okay. Yeah. So if the video was helpful to you, please press the like button. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments. I'll try to help you out. And you can also join our Telegram group if you have any more doubts, or if you want to discuss any improvements that we can do. We can have a discussion there as well. Yeah, that's all. Thank you, students. Okay.